It occurred to me that is used to say that you suddenly and unexpectedly start to think about a thought or idea. Examples. It occurred to me that I now have money for my trip to Korea. It occurred to me that the time for my retirement has come. It occurred to me that she doesn't care about our project because I've contacted her many times, but I got no reply. It occurred to me that my financial situation has been really low for the last few months. It occurred to me that I need to start saving up for my retirement. It occurred to me that Kelly has been going abroad several times this year. It occurred to me that I can now start my own pastry business. It occurred to me that my mom is old, so she needs to retire. It occurred to me that I need a new car. It occurred to me that our house needs some repainting.